Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And yes, here is another unboxing video, and of course it is a very much affordable product. So I recently purchased one Gorilla tripod. Generally we use it for placing camera in some awkward position, but it has to capture that frame, and it has to be pretty much stable. For that we use this Gorilla tripod. So this is a very quick unboxing. घर पे generally अभी दिवाली का साफ सफाई चल रहा है, so I really do not have that proper setup, which I actually don't have. So let's check out the product. इधर एक क्लिप प्रोवाइडेड है, उसको आप जैसे ही पुश करोगे दिस माउंटिंग पार्ट विल कम आउट एंड यस यू कैन फिट इट बैक रियली इजीली. And yes, this is how you fit the clamp for attaching cell phone, and that's it. It is ready to hold the phone. So guys, आपने जो प्रोडक्ट अभी देखी है अनबॉक्सिंग, वो है ये गोरिल्ला ट्राइपॉड जो मैंने परचेज किया था. एंड इट इज़ लाइक दिस ऑलमोस्ट 1 feet big, and it has a like pretty good height. So with such amount it is really worth to purchase it from Amazon, जिसकी लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दी हुई है. एंड if you want a detailed review of this product, do let me know in comment section, because this is a quite quick review with a basic feature, and I have not tried this using different places like at some pole or while driving. I don't know how stable the performance is, but I checked how is the fitting clamp provided. So it is very much tight, and I tried to check my camera, and it was pretty much stable. So for now it has been like 3 days, and I have been trying to place it at different place, but there is no such issue. And I also tried to bend it in a different way, so there is no breaking of this joints, and they are like pretty much intact. I do give go ahead for this product if you are into making videos, vlogs or something like that. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure you do subscribe to my channel. Yeah, see you, take care, bye.